Justin with Bittner-Built, and this is the Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium High Output XC8.0 battery, model number 48111880. You can find this battery at SafetySourceSupply.com, the #1 place to find factory new in-box tools for unbelievable prices at up to 50% off retail. Let's go ahead and open this battery up. This 8 amp hour battery is 5.41 inches long by 3.11 inches at its fattest. At the rear, where it is its skinniest, it is 2.28 inches. Total width of the battery is 3.30 inches. The battery weighs 2 pounds 6 ounces. The unit has a 2-button system that you pinch from the front. Compared to other batteries, I would say that this is one of the less resistive batteries to squeeze. However, you are required to use 2 fingers in a pinching motion, where many other batteries can use 2 fingers or just your thumb on a button in the front. So it does change the dynamic a little bit. There is a battery indicator in the front. It does animate. This one is only charged to 1 bar. It kind of does a bloop, 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 bloop animation. Yep, that's what it sounds like. The side has a textured graphic on it. The unit itself is plastic with a texture feel to it. The bottom section is a rubberized material that has a grip that holds on to the surface. The area where the battery connects to the tool is more of a lower grade but slicker plastic, probably for less friction. On the bottom you have the information for the battery. So that was the Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium High Output XC8.0 battery. I'm Justin Bittner, and you can find my full reviews along with honest opinions on my YouTube channel, Bittner-Built, for woodworking projects and tool reviews. And of course, SafetySourceSupply.com to buy this battery and all your favorite name brand tools at incredible discounts. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.